Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily increase or decrease the sharpness level in your Samsung Smart Monitor. So at first you need to scroll to the left where all you have here your settings, and scroll down here to the settings itself. Here go to the all settings and scroll down so that you can see picture here. Here, as you can see, we do have the expert settings. We have to click that, and here we do have the third option called sharpness. We can decrease and decrease sharpness by going to the left, by decreasing sharpness, and to the right, increasing the sharpness itself. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but there is a very slight difference on this screen when we do have our sharpness set to the 20 or 0. And that's how it works. Goodbye!